I'm back in Kerala now. It's been 1 year.
Today I talk about my takeaway from T.S. Eliot's Tradition and the Individual Talent. If you are a student or professor of English literature, please subscribe to this channel because I release videos that make literary criticism fun. By the way, I've created a criticism gift for you. It is a 9-page PDF called 2-Minute English Literary Criticism for Indian Students. It contains one major takeaway from each of the critics from Philip Sidney to Matthew Arnold. To claim it, please click on the description below. Back to T.S. Eliot now. In The Tradition and the Individual Talent, T.S. Eliot says, "No poet, no artist has his complete meaning alone. You must set him for contrast and comparison among the dead poets and artists." He also says, "The historical sense compels a man to write with the feeling that the whole of the literature of Europe, and within it the whole of the literature of his own country, has a simultaneous existence." This T.S. Eliot quote gives you an idea of how the individual talent should create when he has a whole tradition of creators behind him. My biggest takeaway from this T.S. Eliot quote is related to research. So many students come and ask me, how do I make my research new? How do I make it original? How do I begin my research? This quote gives you a clue. As a young researcher, you don't have to be earth-shatteringly new. You can be slightly new. You don't have to be this glorious, never-seen-before individual talent. You can dip into the tradition. You are allowed to dip into the tradition of earlier researchers. You can dip into the field. Remember that word, field. What is the field? A field is like this. It's like a club of experts and scholars. They are seated at a table and are having a discussion on a topic that you are interested in. As a young researcher, you walk into the club and listen in on their discussion. This is where you are dipping into the field. This is your literature survey, or what Eliot calls the tradition. You think about what they say. Do you agree with what they say? Do you disagree? Why do you think what you think? Gradually, you develop your own confidence and you add your opinion, your voice to the discussion mix. You develop a stance. Maybe that's why it's called research and not just search. You have the benefit of searching the field, searching from what others have said. It is a research and not a solitary quest or search. You have an entire lifetime to become a Nobel-winning individual talent in your subject. Your PhD is only the kindergarten of research. Your PhD is your license to let the experts in your field know that you can think and express a slightly unique voice. Hope this takes away the pressure to be brilliantly new in your PhD. You don't have to be brilliantly new. You can be slightly new. As T.S. Eliot suggests, merge with the tradition, aka field, before you become an individual talent. You don't have to be alone and new. Also remember, click the link in the description below to claim the 2-Minute English Literary Criticism for Indian students. Please watch my other videos here and here on literary criticism.